I came in thinking it was going to be like your normal kind of aesthetic conference, very busy, crazy, all over the place, hectic, but Tiffany has the schedule down to a T. I did 4 talks this year, and everything was perfectly on time. The AV guy was perfectly on time. It was so well run, and the talks and the lectures were incredible. I spoke on the 8-point lift, which is contouring of the face with dermal filler, and then we also did a jawline class, a workshop. I spoke on multiple modalities, so speaking about RF microneedling, pairing that with filler, Botox, and neuromodulators, and then I spoke on social media and branding, which I think is so important for an injector to know how to brand themselves. We had a huge event on the ballroom floor, and it was really nice to connect with other injectors. I got to hand out my business card and meet other people and follow them on Instagram. We took lots of pictures, so I really enjoyed it. I absolutely will be back next year. I will be here every year. This is something you just cannot miss. It's not only networking, meeting people, learning about products and techniques. It's about coming together as a community.